Hi, this is Goldfarb. Thank you very much for joining me here today. Today I'm going to be talking about healthy voice and how you can achieve it through diet and supplements. Healthy voice is a necessary tool for many professions, for teachers, singers, actors, lawyers, and even business people and people like me who make YouTube videos. We rely on our voices to pass on information or to entertain. Unfortunately, vocal cords are subject to wear and tear, like any other body part. That's why it's essential to take care of your voice so it will be strong and healthy for years to come. Many things help maintain a strong, healthy voice, such as eating the right foods and making the right lifestyle choices. So here are my dietary suggestions. Number one, you want to avoid spicy food. Yes, you want to avoid spicy foods such as hot sauce, chili peppers, or anything related to capsaicinoids. These have been linked with inflammation, including swelling around the vocal cord tissue. A study on larynx inflammation found that spicy food items can exacerbate laryngitis symptoms, leading to voice hoarseness, voice changes, and vocal fatigue. You also want to consume foods rich in antioxidants. Antioxidant vitamins and minerals, flavonoids, carotenoids, and other phytochemicals such as lutein and lycopene are crucial for vocal health. They help reduce the influence of stress on your voice box and reduce the wear and tear of vocal cord fibers, which helps prevent them from getting worn down during prolonged use. Foods richest in antioxidants include grapes, which have a few potent phytochemicals such as anthocyanin, proanthocyanidin, and resveratrol. Green tea is rich in catechins. These antioxidants help prevent cell damage, especially EGCG. Berries are rich in ellagic acid, a phytochemical that protects against cancer, also of the vocal cords. And nuts are rich in phytochemicals, healthy fats, and resveratrol, especially pistachios and peanuts. Orange, green, and red vegetables such as tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, sweet potatoes, pumpkins, peppers, these are rich in carotenoids and many vitamins and minerals. Spices also with potent antioxidant properties include ginger, cinnamon, saffron, turmeric, and garlic. Garlic has organosulfides, turmeric has curcumin, saffron has carotenoids, and cinnamon has proanthocyanidin. All are very potent antioxidants. Also, chlorella is rich in astaxanthin, which is a potent antioxidant carotenoid, which is shown to have many health benefits, including for vocal health. However, it is necessary to note that antioxidants found in foods are sacrificial antioxidants, meaning they're sensitive to oxidation by free radicals in the body. Therefore, consuming foods rich in antioxidants is just not enough. You have to reduce oxidative stress. So, how do you do this? Number one, you don't smoke. Smoking will cause hoarseness due to irritation of the throat tissue. Cigarette smoke contains too potent populations of free radicals, leading to irritation and damage of the vocal cords. Smoking also blocks oxygen flowing into the vocal folds. Also, toxins in tobacco have been found to cause vocal cord hemorrhaging. A study on the effects of smoking on the voice showed a relationship between chronic smoking and laryngeal pathology. Smoking can change voice characteristics and cause vocal fatigue. Smokers are also more likely to develop anatomical changes in the larynx, the voice box, vocal cord disease, as well as larynx cancer. You also want to get sufficient rest. Vocal health relies on overall physical health, and fatigue can harm your voice. The vocal cords need a break, especially if your job is such that you use them very often during the day. If you're not sleeping enough at night, your vocal cords may become swollen and inflamed when stressed. Another way of relieving vocal cord tension and giving them the opportunity for repair is by practicing deep breathing exercises or meditation techniques, which help reduce stress levels. Also, you want to drink plenty of water. Water and adequate hydration are crucial for your voice because the mucous membranes need moisture for the vocal cords to function properly. Studies show that hydration plays a pivotal role in vocal fold physiology, and dehydration impacts vocal hygiene and the healthy functioning of the vocal cords. I recommend drinking plenty of clean water. In general, a person needs about 0.14 cups of water per kilo of body weight, or per 2.2 pounds of body weight, to stay hydrated. You can see my video on hydration for more information on exactly how to get sufficient hydration for your body according to your lifestyle. Now, while fluids are essential, you should avoid drinking alcohol because it can cause swelling of the vocal cords. After alcohol consumption, the vocal cords may have difficulty moving when needed to produce sound, as swelling prevents this movement. Alcohol also reduces levels of antioxidants, leading to the damage of the vocal cords. So to conclude, it is possible to maintain vocal health with a few dietary and lifestyle changes. If you value your vocal health, you can follow and adhere to the advice in this video, and you will have a robust and healthy voice throughout your life. Thank you very much for joining. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel if you like these types of videos, and visit my website, thegorilladiet.com, to help you move your health and wellness to a better place for you, with weight loss programs and everything to help you heal your body in a natural way. Thank you very much for joining.